If you want to unlink your Instacart account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the top corner of the Apple website. Step 3. Access linked accounts. Look for an option that says Linked Accounts or Connections. This section will show you all the accounts that are currently linked to your Instacart account. Step 4. Select Facebook. Find the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Choose the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Instacart. Confirm your choice if prompted to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Instacart account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Instacart's customer support.